Hello students, let's continue with the examples on multiple regression, partial correlation and multiple correlation. So example, if R12 is 0.8, R23 is minus 0.56, R31 is minus 0.4, sigma 1 is 10, sigma 2 is 8, sigma 3 is 5, then find R23.1 and B23.1. Solution. What is R23.1? Partial correlation, right? So it will be R23 minus R21 R31 upon root of 1 minus R21 square into 1 minus R31 square. So put these values, what we get? We will get minus 0.56 minus 0.8 minus 0.4 upon root 1 minus 0.8 square, right, into 1 minus 0.4 square, this one. So simplifying it, we get it is minus 0.4616, and the next one B23.1 is what? Minus sigma 2 upon sigma 3 into R23 upon R22. So let's find out them here itself. That is same as minus sigma 2 upon sigma 3 into this R23 is what? It is R12 R13 minus R23, right, upon R22 is 1 minus R13 square. So put the values now. Minus sigma 2 is what? 8 upon 5, right, into these one 0.8 into minus 0.4 minus 0.56, right, upon 1 minus 0.4 square. Okay, so simplifying it, we get here it is minus 0.4571. The answer will be this one. So here what is asked? R23.1 will be minus 0.4616 and B23.1 is minus 0.4571. This is the required answer. Let's go for the next problem. Next example. In a trivariate distribution, R12 is equal to 0.7, R23 equal to 0.5, and it is same as R13 also. Sigma 2 is 3, sigma 1 is 2, sigma 3 is 4. Question is that determine B21.3. So solution. What is B21.3? Regression coefficient minus sigma 2 upon sigma 1, 2 1. Remember it. This 2 1, so cofactor of 2th entry upon R22. this one. So it is what? Simply sigma 2 upon sigma 1 into, here that minus sign will reduce, it will be R12 minus R13 into R23, this one, upon 1 minus R13 square, right? So put the values, this is 3 by 2 into 0.7 minus 0.5 into 0.5, this one, upon 1 minus what? 0.5 square, this one. Calculate. So calculating this one, we get it is 0.9. The next one, next example says, for a trivariate data if R1.23 is 1, does it imply that R2.13 is also 1? Solution. What is given to us? R1.23 is 1. So if it is 1, its square is also 1. So this is R1.23 square is also 1. Now why I am taking square? Because you know R1.23, that result is in a square root. So to remove square root, we have taken a square simply. So without square root, it will be just the whatever the expression given middle. So it is R12 square plus R13 square minus 2 times R12, R13 and R23 upon 1 minus R23 square. That is equal to what? 1. So what does it give? R12 square plus R13 square minus 2 R12, R13 and R23 equal to 1 minus R23 square. Take this 23 to left hand side. So what does it give? 23 to left hand side, and let's take 13 to right hand side. Look at it. Here we want 13 there, right? So, or first of all, R12 square plus R13 square plus R23 square minus 2 R12, R13, R23, and that is equal to what? 1. So we can write it as R12 square plus R23 square minus 2 R12, R13 and R23 equal to 1 minus R13 square. So take this at denominator here. So it is R12 square plus R23 square minus 2 R12, R13, R23 upon 1 minus R13 square, and that is equal to what? 1. So that is nothing but R2.13 square, and that is what? 1. So it says R2.13 is what? 1. So is the answer. It means if R1.23, it implies R2.13 is also 1. Okay. Next one. Next example. For a trivariate data, R12 is equal to 0.6, R13 is equal to 0.7, R23 correlation coefficients 0.65. Then find find R2.13 and R1.23. Okay, solution. This is given to us. Given R12 0.6, R13 0.7 and R23 is 0.65, right? So now what is R2.13? 2.13 is what? Under root R12 square plus R23 square minus 2 times R12, R13, R23 upon 1 minus R13 square, right? So put the values from the given one. We get it is under root R12 square means what? 0.6 square plus 0.65 square minus 2 times 0.6, 0.7 and 0.65 upon 1 minus 0.7 square. Okay, so this is simplifying, we get it is 0.6809. Okay, again, and R1.23, what does it? It is under root what? R12 square plus R13 square minus 2 R12, R13, R23 upon 1 minus R23 square. So it is root R12 0.6 square plus 0.7 square minus 2 into 0.6, 0.7, 0.65 upon 1 minus 0.65 square. So simplifying, we get it is 0.7255. Okay. Next example. For a trivariate data, R12 is equal to 0.6, R13 is equal to 0.4. If this multiple correlation coefficient is 1, then find this correlation. Solution. We have this R1.23 is what? 1. So again same trick I am using. I am squaring here. So R1.23 square is what? 1. So it gives us R12 square plus R13 square minus 2R12, R13, R23 upon 1 minus R23 square, and that is equal to what? 1. So it implies this is what? R13 12 square plus R13 square minus 2 R12, R13, R23 equal to 1 minus R23 square. put the values, what we get? 0.6 square plus 0.4 square minus 2 into 0.6, 0.4 into R23 equal to 1 minus R23 square. That gives us, simplifying, we get, it is R23 square. Take this one, take both the terms on left hand side. R23 square minus 0.48, this one, into R23, and these terms we will take together. That gives us minus 0.48. That is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is quadratic in R23. So solve for R23. That gives R23 is equal to 0.48 plus minus root 0.48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 0.48, okay, upon 2. So that is 0.48 plus minus 1.46642 upon 2. Therefore, it gives R23 is equal to 0.9732 or minus 0.49321. One is from plus, other from minus. These are the answers for R23 here. The next one, next example says, if R12.3 is 0, then show that R13.2 equal to R13 into root of 1 minus R23 square upon 1 minus R12 square. Solution. R12.3 is 0. So it gives R12 minus R13 R23 upon root 1 minus R13 square into 1 minus R23 square. And that is equal to what? 0. So this gives us R12 minus R13 R23 is what? 0. This numerator will be 0, then and then it will be 0. That gives us R12 equal to R13 into R23. Fine. This is equivalent to this product. Now consider this. Now call it as equation number 1. This is given to us. From that we get it, right? So now consider this one, R13.2. So it is R13 minus R12 R23 upon root of what? 1 minus R12 square into 1 minus R23 square, right? So this is equivalent to R13 minus R12 will be replaced using this. So R12 is what? R13 into R23 into R23 as it is upon, this is root, let me separate these roots, 1 minus R12 square into root 1 minus R23 square. I can write them as such. Now take R13 common from here. Look at this. R13 is common. What is left here? 1 minus R23 twice, so square, upon this root 1 minus r12 square and root 1 minus r23 square. Look at this is without square, so we can write it as square root square. So one of the square root is cancelled. What does it give? It is r13 into, we can write them in a single root, 1 minus r23 square upon 1 minus r12 square. This is the required one. Here from 1 we can say reason for this. Okay, so as such we can solve these questions. Let me give one homework to you. Homework for a trivariate data. For a trivariate data, r12 is equal to 0.7, r13 equal to r23, that is equal to 0.5. Then find r13.2, r12.3, r1.23 and r2.13. Find out these one. Okay, solve it. This is about the third chapter. Here our chapter 3 is finished, and as the university has reduced the syllabus for the second semester, so we have completed 3 chapters. So hopes our university exam is on these 3 chapters. Thank you.